Welcome to practical session for class 12th. My name is Bhiman Mishra. Today we will see an experiment to find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting a graph between u and v and between 1 by u and 1 by v. So this is the setup. First we have to find the rough focal length of the convex lens. This is the formula: f is equal to ub upon u minus v. So this is the apparatus. You can clearly see. This is the lens, convex lens. This is the stand. This will act as a image. This is object. Image of the object pin will be there on the tip of the image needle. First, second, we have to see the least count. So from here we can see it is 0, then it is 5. From 0 to 5 we have 50 divisions. So the least count is, that is 1 mm, right? So let's begin. So first we have to find the rough focal length. To find the rough focal length, we will target an object outside of this room and find its image on the screen. I have a rough sheet with me to do the same. Now we can see that the image of that gallery is there at my diary. If I used to see the reading at that moment, I used to found that it is around 60. It's around 60. So if we see the lens, the position of the lens is 50 and position of the image formed clear was 60. So what is the length? It is around 10 centimeter. So we can see the rough focal length of this lens is 10 centimeter. Now let's try the experiment. I had kept an object at a distance 50, then it is at 85 centimeter. The object is placed at 85 centimeter and we have to find the image of that object or the tip of the image needle, which will be placed at somewhere. So first let's check it out. Now you can clearly see the image without parallax. While moving the eye to left to right, there shouldn't be any lateral shift between the image and the object pin. I hope it is clear. Okay, then let's have the readings. For that we need to have a table. I have a table in my manual which says that position of lens, object and image. The position of the lens is at 50 centimeter. So mark it as 50. Then where the object is placed? The object is placed at this place. It is 85 centimeter. Where the image is formed? The image needle is placed at 35. So I will mark it as 35. So what is the distance between object and lens? It will be 35 centimeter. And image 50, and that is 50 and 35, the value will be 15. There isn't any index correction, so I will mark this as same as that of the previous, 35 and 15. Now 1 by u, that is 1 by 35, 1 by v, 1 by 15. So 1 by u was 1 by 35 and 1 by v was 1 by 15. So focal length is equal to uv upon u plus v. So f is equal to 35 into 15 divided by both of the sum, that is 50. The value is around 10.5. So what we had observed was 10 centimeter rough focal length and the value calculated is 10.5 mathematically. Thank you.
Sudah tahan dengan